This is a 2015 Ford F-250. It's got an RKI service body on it, 6.7 diesel, right under 195,000 miles, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission. Came out of Oklahoma. This truck is super clean. Heavy-duty tow package, crew cab. Really nice body on it, really clean body. Frame's dry underneath, two toolboxes in the back. It's got a heavy-duty inverter. Decent tread on the tires. No rips or tears on the inside. Really clean work truck. Like I said, it's a 15 single wheel, four-wheel drive, about 195,000 miles on it. AC blows ice cold, 2 keys, 2 remotes, power locks, power windows, cruise control, work truck trim with some nice features. Smooth, quiet, shifts tight, power delivery feels great. Just serviced and inspected, runs down the road, no issues. Just a nice, clean service truck. If you do have any questions, feel free to contact me, 804-716-8487. You can call or text anytime. Four-wheel drive on the floor. Just a clean truck all the way around. All right, thanks for watching.